Here I'm taking white color, red color, yellow color and blue color. These are acrylic paints. We're gonna mix these colors to color our desired ice cream. For cherry, we'll use red, but first I'm gonna paint ice cream. So I'm mixing a little bit of red with white to make it pink. So this is basically strawberry ice cream. See? Wow! This is so beautiful pink color. If you mix red and white, you'll get cute pink color. Cherry, I'm taking red color. For refill, I'm taking brown color, not just brown color. I'm gonna mix blue, red, white and yellow to make it brown. I saw in a video where that girl is making brown color with these four colors, but this is fake. It's a kind of green color, so I'm taking the original brown color to color the waffle. Sometimes the videos are really fake, like she was mixing all the colors to make it brown, but that was totally fake. So as you can see, this is almost completed. You tell me, which is your favorite ice cream flavor? If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye kids.